Dividend stocks represent shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to investors. They're crucial because they offer a steady income stream, beyond just capital appreciation. The dividend yield is a key metric that tells you how much you're earning from your investment relative to the stock price. To calculate it, simply divide the annual dividend by the stock price. When considering dividend stocks, it's essential to research key metrics like payout ratios and historical dividend growth to find the most stable prospects. A company's financial health is paramount. Look for earnings stability and a consistent payout history to ensure reliability in dividends. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different sectors to balance potential rewards with risks. Consider reinvesting your dividends to enhance compound growth. Over time, this can significantly increase your overall investment returns. It's vital to understand the tax implications of your dividend income. Some dividends are taxed at a lower rate, but always consult with a tax professional. Incorporate dividend stocks into a broader investment strategy to create a balanced portfolio. They can provide both stability and a passive income. Regularly monitor your dividend stocks. Know when to sell for profit or hold on to them based on market performance. Dividend investing can be a rewarding pathway to build wealth over time. Approaching it with knowledge and strategy can pave the way for financial security.